Hey guys, Ballistic Bluetooth Valve. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be headed to a Cars and Coffee, but before we get the car started up and warmed up, we're going to go ahead and check my fluids to make sure that everything is all good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start this puppy up. Just got gas. Now we're gonna go ahead and meet up with the boys at this wash since again their car's washed. Oh, there they go. Alrighty, we're finally on the way. We're gonna be a little late to the event. However, usually we don't start getting there till this time anyway. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind and this loud car, but yeah, we're on the way, and I'll probably see you guys whenever we get there, or if anything interesting happens. Alright, we are now pulling into Cars and Coffee. Alrighty guys, we have arrived. You need to get what?
I need to get some more shit. Don't worry, we got plans.
Strong, man. Very strong. Now, Gen 2 and Gen 3, I don't know about reliability.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know how reliable your shit is.
Homie's arresting himself.
It ain't comfortable at all.
How you feeling
I've
there?
been like this for a long time.
Do you like it?
My back hurts.
Okay.
Crazy. It's like my mom's Explorer, but way different at the same time. Wow.
Stupid.
I don't even want to see the view from the back. You know what I'm saying? I don't even.
You don't want to go in the back.
You don't want to go.
I don't know why anyone would willingly want to sit in the back of a police car.
See what it's like.
Yes, that's how
It's
you.
more spacious than the.
I don't even want to see what it's like.
Smaller like
Taurus?
Chargers. Yeah. But Jesus.
What's your first impression, Callum?
Never again.
All right.
Never again. Just testing it out. Never again. Don't go to jail, guys. Don't do that. We don't break rules or anything like that. I had to get the Tavian experience. I'm sorry.
You're crazy.
Our buddy. What's his name?
That's definitely sexy right there.
I'm running a Barnes and Noble. I'll be back.
Just go to the restaurant right here.
They ain't gonna be open for boys.
Yeah, they are. They're always open.
I always see this Lexus, but I always see that. That's a 5.0. Which is crazy. Probably not the same type, but still 5.0.
Look at that engine bay.
Ah, it's got a dual air inlet.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Yeah, I mean, it's out in the weather, you know. But yeah, that'd be a car.
Yeah, old interior. Looks
Yeah.
nice.
Look at the leather.
I wonder what that little screen in there is. Next to the shifter.
Yeah. You see that? You see that, man? You see that, man?
Yeah, do you see this rear-mounted engine?
Shit, I didn't even see that either. God damn. Look at the transmission.
Yeah.
Bro.
What is this?
Let me see.
Pantera. It's a Pantera.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's wild, though.
Wow, look at that interior.
Yep. I mean, it's cool. That's cool.
Did you see that interior?
It's nice.
Get a shot of the interior. Look at
That's nice. Let's get that one more time.
that interior.
Let's just go with the cream.
Yeah, you gotta get the camera in there, bro.
Yeah, take it. Let's go with the. See me, I just don't like stick.
The Cars and Coffee here compared to the L Octane event is so wild. It's so different. So you get a shot of what?
Let me see.
It's connected to my hand right now.
Oh, I see.
Ugh.
Let me get some shots. I want to hold it.
Shots of what? What do you want to get shots of?
I want to be a part of your vlog.
You want to be part of my vlog? Carbon fiber seats.
Let me see. I want to see. I was gonna get this. That's not fair.
You didn't. Now you're recording.
Yeah.
Get your shot.
You see what I'm saying? You gotta look at them. Look at them. Mark, I don't know. This your next purchase?
What? GT350?
Shit, chill.
I'd rather a 500.
Now look at the badge on there.
I've driven a GT350.
You have?
They are fast. They're pretty quick cars.
You know, I was thinking about doing that swap. That swap. Look at that. That's a nasty.
Whenever you're done, just click it again.
See, like I said, this vlog is shit light. You feel me? Ain't that right? Let me stop. But you see that can right there?
It is a K&N.
The big boy shit.
Not
Well,
exactly.
it's kind of light. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, not exactly.
It's kind of light. And what GoPro this is?
You said what?
What GoPro this is?
The GoPro 13.
See, you gotta put the stick on your shit. Did it
You're
go?
just leaving it record. You're just going around, huh?
I think it went out, didn't it?
It's just a screensaver.
Oh, I see. Hey, look at this. It is a little bit
Hey,
clean.
record this M3 on the.
I'm recording Garfield. Fuck this.
You said I'm recording car.
Word, I'm recording Garfield.
Look at the M3's on welds.
I mean, shit's alright. I'm playing.
This dude.
It's cool though. It's cool.
You said it's mid.
You know what this kind of remind me of?
What?
A Honda Civic. Not Honda Civic. Honda
That's
Accord.
crazy.
Honda Accord.
Cord?
Like, you ever seen them white Accords?
I don't think so.
It's you. Maybe I'm talking about a specific one. You probably.
I think you're tripping, dude.
Let's go.
I gotta do it 2 times because I gotta do a different format for the short.
Fitment on that. The rims is what gets
It's a
me.
beautiful white.
Yeah, let me start up like this.
Start what up? This? Yeah, go ahead. Go get in it.
What are you thinking?
What?
What are you thinking?
Which one? I don't know. I can't afford either of them.
All right, dude. You're up. You gotta buy him the McLaren.
Beautiful red Grand Sport C6. Beautiful blue Beetle.
Say far for Nugent.
You said what?
Far for Nugent, that's what it's are.
It's got a nice cream interior. What do I gotta get? Volkswagen. What do I gotta get? That's what I was thinking about.
Oh my God, that's
This I think that body style is just a better.
You said who? Mike Lowry.
some Mike Lowry shit.
I think with the Porsches, it was like once you get so old.
That's a nice red, dude.
Did you go over there?
No,
You didn't get it?
no.
You on some Mike Lowry shit.
Meaning,
Bad Boys. You ever seen Bad Boys?
no, I don't think so.
You never seen Bad Boys?
I don't believe so.
Martin went to
He said,
Shit, what? Who the fuck stole my engine?
Alright, see you, man.
See you in 3 weeks.
All right.
Maybe if you're around.
Yep.
nobody might have stole your engine, but I'll definitely take it from you. See that 3 valve?
Yeah.
I gotta go look at that.
Never admit that.
When you gonna get yours right, man?
When I'm done with the blue car.
This shit.
Once I'm done with the blue car, I'll
Get that
go.
logo, get that logo. Target me. Don't get it fucked up.
I'll probably get my 3 valve built whenever I'll get my 3 valve done whenever I get the blue car done.
No, that's literally all it, bro. This thing's far.
Wow. 1 year off.
Wow.
The good thing about it is you can get all the parts and everything.
Beautiful vet. It's an R8.
I'm like, that's what I'm doing, bro. I'm building like barricade from Transformers last night.
Oh, there's another one down there. I want to see how it is. You see that black one over there? Oh, is that even Brembo?
Buddy over here wanted to look at this because he said it looked good.
This shit chopped, nigga.
From a distance.
First of all, I mean, that man's touching the crap over here.
This is chopped as fuck.
Low key, see if I got a Gen 5 or a Gen 2 or a Gen 3.
Look at the brake.
The-
Look at the paint on the rim.
The wheels, that looks like it's oh, no shot, it's plasti dipped. They plasti dipped the wheels.
I ain't gonna lie to you. This is, I see why they parked the weight.
Broken lock.
I see why he parked away from.
Alright, well,
Look at the back. This
you
shit
still think that shit clean?
Fuck no.
Alright.
We gonna
Hate? Wait, so you want to hate on your own car?
I did that.
That's
at,
a good idea.
I did that at the this other meet. I was like,
That's mid.
hey, whole time.
It's a nice old school Charger.